Right, Chirag, have you downloaded SQL Server? Hello? Chirag, can you hear me? Chirag, I cannot hear your voice. Message me. Umesh, have you downloaded SQL?
Hello.
Yeah, Umesh, have
Hello.
you downloaded SQL Server?
My laptop facing some issues, sir, so I unable to download, ma'am, sir.
Okay, no problem. Samir, have you downloaded SQL Server, Samir?
Yes, sir.
So today we can do installation, right?
Yeah, we can use the same software which we downloaded, right?
Share your screen, please. Yesterday we did SQL and Management Studio, then we created database also. Right, connect to Management Studio, please. All of you, please follow, and I'll finish installation in your laptops today. Umesh is facing some issues. Chirag, what about you? If we can finish installations today, Monday onwards, I can start with remaining scenarios. Remaining. So we have to install SQL Server, then we have to go for Management Studio Connect. Expand databases. See that. Samir DB created. Okay. Right. Close this Management Studio, Samir. Go to Downloads folder where you downloaded SQL Server. Where you downloaded SQL Server. Go to Downloads, please. Not C drive, downloads. You stored it in C drive? Okay, no problem. Right, go to installation. First one right side, first one, yeah. First one right side. It is there on taskbar, yeah. Click on backside window, please. See that restart computer it is asking. Sometimes what happens, yesterday also it happened. We have seen, right? So when we are going for installation of the SQL server, some requirements will be there. Sometimes restart computer, right? Kind of. So please restart laptop and connect to meeting again, Samir.
Sir, yesterday I restarted and installation was complete. I didn't did anything today.
Again, you have to restart, right? You're done with installation, so we are going for fresh installation. That's why it is asking again. Okay.
Okay, sir. I will
join
again.
Restart and connect. Make it fast, please.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Chirag, actually, Chirag, can you hear me? Chirag, I'm unable to hear you. Message me, please, Chirag. Have you downloaded SQL Server software? Okay, you can message, right? Have you downloaded SQL Server software, Chirag? Installation is done? No, right? Going on? Oh, great. Same way you are doing. I think Gaurav installation is done. Umesh is facing some issues with the laptop. Chirag
Yes, sir.
going on. Okay, even Samir laptop I'm doing installation. So today we can finish installations. Monday we can start with remaining things. Wait for 2 minutes. He'll come back. Okay, no problem. Umesh, what is the problem in your laptop, Umesh? Umesh? Right, Ramesh, share screen, please. Same installation only, but little changes will be there. I'll explain. Ah,
Yes.
right. Go to next step, please. See that here perform new installation because we need 3 different servers. Okay, now we already installed server yesterday. We are going for new installation. Yeah, go to next step. Here select only first two. Only first two. Database engine services, SQL replication. Right. Here select Umesh, Samir 2. Next, instance name. So startup app, make it automatic. Go to next step. Select mixed mode, provide password. Click on add current user. Go to next step. Install. Please wait. Umesh, what is the problem? Wi-Fi problem, Umesh? Wi-Fi
Yeah.
issue?
Yes, sir. Sir, I'm not connecting my Wi-Fi, sir.
Okay.
Hello.
It's almost ending. Wait.
Sir, I have one question.
Tell me, Samir.
Sir, why we need 3 instances? We can practice in 1 instance only, na?
Because we are going to work with lock shipping, mirroring, replication, migration, configurations. Okay, na? Those configurations we are going to do with multiple instances, multiple servers of the SQL server. So because of that reason only we are doing multiple installations. Okay,
Okay.
na? Right, close. Now we need one more installation. Let's do one thing. I'm not going to tell you anything. Samir, Siraj, Gaurav, Umesh. Samir is going to operate. If he makes any mistakes, you just tell him. Go ahead, Samir. I'm going to mute myself. Let us see how it goes.
It's done, sir.
Yeah, close all windows. Open Management Studio.
In previous version of Management Studio, we can open through command line, but this version is not supported.
Command line, not command line, SSM, run. This is SQL CMD, right?
Okay, so we need to open Management Studio CMD.
SQL command line is different, Management Studio is different, right?
Okay. All the three instances are running. 1, 2, 3.
Yeah. From there only, you have to select required instance and connect. Okay, na? Now, wait. I'll tell you, wait. Take right click on server name left side. Connect. Open server name drop down. Browse for more. Select Samir 2. Okay. Connect. Same right click. Right. From same Management Studio, we connected to different servers. Okay, no? That is what the scenario. Even we are going to work with some configurations. In configurations also, we are going to do the same. Okay. Right. Go to Samir 3 server. Take right click on databases. New database. Right. Provide database name as Samir DB. Better use capital letters here. Click on OK. So now this platform is ready. Okay. Without any issues, you can work with any configuration of the SQL Server database administration, because we installed SQL Server, we created databases, everything is done in Samir laptop. Okay. So now Next,
Yesterday,
Umesh system.
sir,
Yeah,
yesterday
tell me.
we restored our database yesterday, right?
There you restored database in Samir one. Go to Samir server. See that Samir DB. You can see there also.
Right. It is
Expand Samir DB. Expand tables.
Oh, okay, okay. So we restored with Samir DB name. Okay, I got it. Yeah, I remember.
Okay, na?
Yeah. Got it.
Now source database also ready. Everything is done. So next Gaurav Das. Gaurav, have you restored database? I sent you a backup file yesterday.
Yes, sir.
Done na? Okay. Umesh still installation is not completed because he's having some issues. Chirag, is it completed installation in your machine, please? Chirag. Your machine restarted, okay? Now share screen. Chirag, now share screen. You can connect. It's okay. Have you downloaded my backup file? I emailed some backup file yesterday. I think you downloaded that file to downloads folder. Go to downloads. Go to downloads in our lab. Yeah, download it. You copy that file to C drive. Now right click on databases. Restore database. Device. Click on add. Scroll up. Right. Make it Chirag DB. In the middle, you can see Suresh DB. Make it Chirag DB. Go for capital letters. Better. Click on OK. Done. Database created. Just go to next installation. Minimize, close management studio and go to installation again. Chirag 2, Chirag 3. Okay. No, why you are downloading again? Chirag, later we can do that. Configuration we can do later. Yeah. What is this? Something different. Minimize this window also. Why this much of windows open? Configuration we can do, no problem. Close this window. Where is your file? You downloaded. Run that file. Wait. What is this? SQL Server 2019. Huh? Now run this setup. Click on yes. Yes button. Go to installation. Right, go ahead.
Sir, I need to drop off. So if I can, my setup is complete, so I can drop off, right?
Yeah, you can, no problem.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Next class Monday, Samir. Samir, next class Monday.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, right.
Thank you.
Gaurav, you also can disconnect, no problem. Your installation is done. If you want to stay, you can stay. Otherwise, you can disconnect, no problem. Umesh, please resolve your laptop issue by Monday's class. Okay, now? Right, Umesh?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I will, sir.
Yeah. Because what happens, practical knowledge is required for DBA. That's why I'm spending this much of time on only installation. Make it Chirag 2.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Already you are given SQL 1, make it SQL 2 then. Next. Disabled there, please. Disabled, make it automatic. So go back. Go back. Disable, still disable only. No. Wait. Automatic. Next. Mixed mode, provide a password. Click on add current user. Next. That it is done. Close. Start again. Start again. No. Wait. Start again. Go for SQL 3. Is done. Okay, Umesh installation is pending. Umesh, we will do installation in our laptop on Monday. Okay, na? Right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. No problem.
Okay then. Umesh, Chirag, and Gaurav, see you on Monday. Time. Same go to meeting link. Okay, na? Right then. Bye.